High in the heart of the Ethiopian highlands, where the air is crisp and the horizon stretches endlessly, lies a city unlike any other. Debre Birhan stands proudly at over 2,800 meters above sea level, making it one of Africa's highest cities, perched among the clouds, and surrounded by breathtaking mountain vistas. Its name, Mountain of Light, hints at a place where ancient legends and vibrant modern life intertwine, creating a city that glows with both history and ambition. Located just 120 kilometers northeast of Addis Ababa, Debre Birhan's close proximity to Ethiopia's bustling capital has fueled its rapid transformation and economic growth in recent years. Once renowned for its peaceful streets and imperial heritage, the city has evolved into a thriving hub of industry, innovation, and opportunity, attracting attention from across the nation. Today, modern buildings rise beside traditional homes, and the air buzzes with the sounds of construction, commerce, and the dreams of a new generation. Debre Birhan's remarkable transformation is changing lives every day, offering new jobs, fresh opportunities, and a renewed sense of hope for families and young people alike. Investors, workers, and students from all corners of Ethiopia are flocking here, drawn by the city's promise of progress, education, and a brighter future. The city's unique blend of old and new, tradition and innovation, captures the dynamic spirit of today's Ethiopia, a nation on the move. Debre Birhan is not just a city of high altitude, it's a city of high ambition, where every sunrise brings new possibilities. Its journey is a remarkable tale of honoring the past, while boldly building a future that inspires the entire region. Join us as we explore Debre Birhan, from its mystical origins and storied past to its vibrant present and its role as a shining beacon of Ethiopia's industrial dream. Debre Birhan's remarkable story begins in the 15th century, during the reign of the visionary Emperor Zara Yaqob, a ruler whose legacy would forever shape the Ethiopian highlands. While camped on the high plateau with his court, the emperor witnessed a mysterious, dazzling light streaking across the night sky, a sight so extraordinary that it left everyone in awe and wonder. Convinced that this was a divine sign from above, Zara Yaqob decided to establish a city on that very spot, naming it Debre Birhan, meaning Mountain of Light, a name that would echo through history. The city quickly flourished, becoming a vibrant center of power, faith, and learning. Magnificent churches rose alongside royal palaces, and Debre Birhan gave her a reputation for its spiritual and political prestige. Scholars, priests, and nobles from across the land flocked to this new capital, drawn by its promise and the emperor's vision, making it a beacon of Ethiopian Orthodox Christianity and culture. Though the capital would eventually move elsewhere, Debre Birhan's legacy as a place of enlightenment and royal ambition endured through the centuries. Its royal beginnings and deep religious heritage became a lasting source of pride for generations of its people, shaping their identity and sense of belonging. The story of the heavenly light was lovingly passed down from elders to children, weaving itself into the very fabric of Debre Birhan's identity and traditions. Over time, Debre Birhan's name became a powerful symbol of enduring spirit, hope, and the city's limitless potential. Its foundation laid the groundwork for a city that would continue to shine in new and unexpected ways, adapting to each era. The legend of the Mountain of Light still inspires the people of Debre Birhan, fueling their dreams and ambitions. Today, that same spirit of hope and resilience continues to fuel Debre Birhan's transformation into a thriving modern city. Today, Debre Birhan pulses with the energy of industry and ambition, its streets alive with the rhythm of progress and hope for a brighter tomorrow. Modern factories, textiles, garments, food processing, glass, cement and steel dot the city, fueling economic growth and attracting investment from across Ethiopia and beyond. The Debre Birhan blanket factory is a household name, producing essentials for the highlands and supporting families through generations of skilled craftsmanship. Thousands of jobs have been created, giving young people new opportunities and stability, while empowering women and men to build better lives for themselves and their communities. Small businesses thrive alongside factories, serving the growing population and creating a vibrant local economy where entrepreneurship flourishes. This industrial boom is transforming Debre Birhan into a dynamic, prosperous city, with new infrastructure and expanding neighborhoods reshaping its skyline. The factories are more than workplaces, they're building a future for the city and the nation, fostering unity and pride among Debre Birhan's people. local industry reduces reliance on imports and strengthens Ethiopia's manufacturing sector, making Debre Birhan a key player in the country's economic journey. For Debre Birhan's people, the hum of machinery is the sound of progress, echoing the city's determination to shape its own destiny. The mountain of light now shines brighter than ever, powered by industry and the dreams of those who called Debre Birhan home. Debre Birhan's success is tied to its strategic location on the A2 highway. This vital road connects the city to Addis Ababa and northern Ethiopia, making trade and travel efficient. Factories rely on the highway to receive raw materials and distribute finished goods nationwide. The city is no longer isolated, but a key hub in Ethiopia's supply chain. Improved roads have shortened travel times, enabling business, commuting, and tourism. The constant flow of people and goods brings fresh ideas and energy to Debre Birhan. Local authorities invest in infrastructure, ensuring the city stays connected and competitive. Good roads support industry, commerce, and daily life. Debre Birhan's location is a fundamental asset, anchoring its growth and future. Debre Birhan University is shaping the city's future as much as its factories. Founded in 2007, the university educates engineers, scientists, business leaders, and skilled technicians. Its programs are tailored to meet the needs of local industries, creating a steady pipeline of talent. Graduates find opportunities close to home, fueling the city's transformation. The university partners with factories and farmers, driving innovation and practical solutions. Research and community service ensure knowledge benefits the entire region. By empowering youth, the university keeps talent in Debre Birhan and sparks new ideas. It stands as a beacon of knowledge and a key partner in the city's progress. Education and industry, together, are building a sustainable future for the Mountain of Light. Debre Birhan's leaders are planning for a bright, sustainable future. Ambitious projects are underway: new housing, expanded industrial parks, and upgraded infrastructure. Modern affordable homes are being built for the city's growing population. Specialized industrial parks attract investment in sectors like pharmaceuticals and technology. The city's vision balances economic growth with social well-being and environmental care. Improved roads, public transport, and services are part of this holistic plan. Debre Birhan is transforming into a modern, integrated city, an industrial hub with a rich heritage. The Mountain of Light is becoming a beacon of progress for all of Ethiopia.